Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to report about repair of normal hand pump in Bihar. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you can enter your registration date. Then select the district made of complaint. Then select the block. Enter your name, phone number, address. Then upload the documents and then select the panchayat, select the village, select the complaint category, select the complaint subcategory, and enter the complaint description in brief. So once you enter all the details, please click on the submit button. And you will receive your complaint registration number in the pop-up menu immediately after submitting the complaint. And you have to keep those details safe for future verification and references purposes. After receiving the complaint, the authorities will take necessary action to repair the normal hand pump. Then there are the required documents and in official location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then in fee section, so you have to pay as per the authorities request. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us. So we'll get back to you as soon as possible and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.